Brian, can I see that paper for a second? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
Shut the fuck
You
up,
thought
cat.
what would be big news? Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety. What are you talking about? Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard. Heard what? Right,
Shut up, cat. I'm trying to record funny.
Don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird.
Shut up.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Shut up, cat. I'm trying to do something important.
Peter, I was just at the bank and they told me to withdraw